ticky-tacky night, so bright lovely. Farm is sleeping soft, the moonlight mulokay. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, 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 look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, wobble, moon goes low, what's that? Shaking, shaking, slow, slow, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back! But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no, no. Wobble, wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doo, like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. Who see the sky? Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net, she grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up, up, high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, swing, swing. Up you go. Slow, 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 nice and slow. Moon is back in sky so high. Stars are smiling. Bye, bye, bye. Farm is calm, soft and sweet. Hood animals sleeping in their seat. Kitty yawns. What a night. Everything is back alright. Moon is back where it should stay. Skitty saved the Y2K. Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Rib, Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near plane, bouncing bees. Hannibal goes, she'll go. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 4 funny frogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. 10 go boom, 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 boom. To T10 and T-un, T and boom. Hide and seek none, fun to do. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Count, 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 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Hiding near 1 little tree. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the owl and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Why don't they fix the train? All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the dino train today. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino ring. Wow! Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, sit, sit, please. Cow goes mute, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Bugs bounce over her head. Whoa, moo moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splashing splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none. Pig says, just, this is fun. Oink, oink, oink. Slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like the show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, what? Please. Rooster shouts, no, 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 ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh. Oh no. Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty crumbs, listen all. Farm school is no Shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby Shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby Shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby Shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on Shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby Shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby Shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound.